Hello everyone, Kitslam here and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today we're switching things up, we're going inverted and we're gonna get downright negative. Okay, now that we've clearly released all of that negative energy, let's actually talk about what an inverted or negative drawing is. In order to do so, I will need to protect and cover our Iron Man, who is being created with these Expo whiteboard markers. Obviously that is a work in progress and I do not want to compromise it in any way. So forgive the noises, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to cover Iron Man here with our Winnie the Pooh, who is still sticking around but at some point will probably be erased. It will be a tragic day indeed. Okay, now that I've covered up the Iron Man, which I think would be really fun to see in inverted colors, so let's check that out later, but I'm going to start by opening this here sketchbook. This sketchbook, well, it's not a sketchbook, it's actually a portfolio and it has my artwork in it. The artwork that is 9 by 12, which is really most of my work is 9 by 12 in size. It is my nebula pencil color drawing, and this nebula actually is said to be 7,500 light years away. This is in fact a real nebula in space, and if you type in heart nebula you will find it. I'll link the video to that up in the cards. I've got a few different other characters. I want to move toward, okay, here we go. These here are my inverted drawings of the Mario character. It all started many moons ago with Boo. Boo was the first inverted drawing that we ever worked on here on the channel, and after I worked on Boo I was so happy and the feedback from you guys was absolutely amazing. So that inspired me to keep going. I thought I would continue with the Mario theme, and so you can see here this is Bowser, or Dry Bones Bowser, and this is an inverted drawing as well. Now these inverted drawings are called inverted or negative drawings because the colors are flipped to the inverted side, or you could say they are flipped to the negative colors on the color spectrum. So what that means is while Boo is normally white, I have to color him black. And his crown, which is normally yellow, of course I need to color it blue because blue and yellow are going to be opposite on the color spectrum. By hitting that switch in the software, Adobe Premiere or Adobe Photoshop, it will flip it for you. There's just one little button, you click invert and it flips it all the way to the other side of the color spectrum. Easy peasy, right? It is quite a bit more challenging than that, however, when you actually are working on the drawings, but that is a good reason why I enjoy it so much. This here is our Shy Guy inverted drawing, which you can see in the regular colors. After I'd finished Shy Guy, I thought it was a good time to step up the game. So I went for a character that has skin color, some skin complexion, and that became Waluigi. Absolutely enjoyed working on him. Really good feedback from the Waluigi drawing. After Waluigi, I figured it was time to work on another character that did in fact have some skin complexion, and that became Wario. And this one is potentially my favorite of the inverted drawing, but maybe it is Mario Odyssey, which I think probably my most intricate and my most professional work as an inverted drawing. So that there is the collection of inverted drawings. Having gone through the entire collection of inverted drawings today, I realized that I haven't drawn Yoshi, and that is not acceptable. I will definitely do a negative drawing of Yoshi, which has to happen. He will be purple and black, so that will be a lot of fun. But if you guys have any suggestions for future Mario characters that should be drawn inverted, please let me know in the comments below. Guys, let's take a look at the whiteboard drawing in negative colors of Iron Man. I think that's going to look quite spectacular. So let's take a look. As you can tell, I think he looks absolutely awesome like this. The colors are flipped from the reds and oranges and yellows to these blues, these greens, these teals. I mean, how awesome does that look? Guys, I will continue to work on this Iron Man drawing over the next few weeks, but I want to share something with you that is quite important. And to do that, I'm going to place our Winnie the Pooh here one last time to protect our whiteboard drawing of Iron Man. This is my entire print collection. I've got 4x6 prints of the inverted drawings, plus my entire print collection. I also have those inverted or negative drawings in 5x7 prints, which I am still slowly printing off, but I do have the inverted drawing collection there. And you could buy them in 8.5 by 11s. So I've got all of those prints here for you guys. I will leave the link to my Etsy above. please go ahead and support the channel. That would be so fantastic. It means a lot to me. My name is Kitslam. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.